it is a very good platform for a lot of people, as I said, not only for the construction lobby, but the people or the industries like us, which are related to the construction activities, like electricals or the cements or the financing or everything. So I think it's a wonderful event, and I'm very happy that we have been a small sponsorer into this, but we have been invited to this program, and it's been taken care by the staff very well.
Thank you so much, sir.
Good afternoon.
Can you introduce yourself?
I'm Ronak Thakkar from Reliance Housing Finance team. I'm a regional manager out here.
So what do you think about Realty Plus event?
It's a good event which enlightens us more on the this infrastructure, what is coming up, and what are the future plans coming up, and the regulators what they do think on this. And additionally, it's one place where all the real estate stakeholders meets up, and we can interact with each other, and it's one platform where we can have our own networking done on this.
So what are your takeaways from the event? Like what do you learn?
I would say it's more like a networking for us, and the information what they provide can help us to make our business go in the future. That's what I can tell you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Can you give a brief about you and your company?
My name is Anand Choksi. I'm Managing Director of the Real Estate Connect. It's one of the largest real estate brokerage houses of the city, and we are one of the most professional ones who deal into real estate when it comes to western side of the city.
So what do you think about the Realty Plus event?
Realty Plus is doing these kind of activities since last few years, and it's amazing that they are bringing this knowledge, education into the market. It makes the organization a little more organized than what it is, the industry a little more organized than it is, and I think kudos to Realty Plus team to bring in all these people, all the stakeholders of the industry like developers, investors and real estate brokers under one roof and have this kind of sessions.
So what are your takeaways from the event? Like what do you learn?
I got to connect with a lot of people. That is one good benefit that I got out of this event. And secondly, some knowledge on GST, some knowledge on RERA, which I probably, there are some missing pieces in the puzzle that would be helpful. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Yourself and your company.
I'm Deep Vadodara from Neela Spaces Limited, and we are a new company which is demerged from the original company Neela Infrastructures Limited, which was into real estate, and now it's a construction company.
What do you think about the Realty Plus event?
I think it's a fantastic forum where the delegates got to discuss everything which is pertaining to the industry, which is affecting it right now, and maybe it is going to keep on affecting in the future, and touching down upon key issues right now of the realty market, which is RERA, and obviously both sides have a lot of apprehension because something new is coming up. But I believe it was a lot of talks here, and the panels were very constructive, and I'm sure all the delegates found it a lovely experience.
So any takeaways from the event? What you learned that you have?
Well, I think I should do this more often because it was fun. This is one of the first times I'm attending something like this as a panelist, but it was a really very constructive atmosphere, and I'm sure I'm going to be attending more of these. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
To the Realty Plus, and thank you very much for coming over here. It's really a great event, but I just would like to just understand from you as a developer, and you said that you are building affordable housing. So what's the kind of two things that you would like to give a message that if you want to be a successful developer on the affordable housing segment, then what are 2 or 3 things which are must that one developer should do it kind of? Over to you, Deep.
Sure. Yeah, as well rightly said, we've done a lot of affordable housing, but we've done it for the infrastructure companies, so that's purely construction for the government and
Right.
some of the private corporates. But now we're getting into real estate, and it looks very interesting for us. I think there is phenomenal amount of capability that the private developers have in joining government to develop this affordable housing mission that the government's undertaken. The two things which I don't think we are in a position to compromise as developers is the quality, because now the standard quality which you talk about, the government quality, is up to the mark of the developers of the past. So you have to outdo quality what government is doing out there, and all the back-end services. I think after-sales service post-RERA is going to be one of the most important aspects of being a developer.
Yeah, great. I think this is very important. Now let me ask you a question that is RERA, after coming into RERA, do you think that RERA is going to support the kind of the propaganda or the kind of business proposition of the affordable housing? And if yes, then in your mind, what are the two things which RERA is going to support the affordable housing segment? Over to you, Deep.
I think RERA in general is going to support real estate industry in general because it gives it a lot of credibility which it did not really have. When you talk about affordable housing, yes, because the industry is going to gain, so will the affordable housing segment in general. But going forward, I think RERA is going to be one of the biggest game changers for affordable housing, because affordable housing is where you will have more number of members compared to your bigger housing. These are the people which actually need the support when dealing with the developers, and I think somebody checking the developer on their behalf is going to be one of the biggest boon that they can have.
Oh, great. So now my last question to you. When you're saying that you are a player in the affordable segment and you build almost about 4,000 houses and you have kind of a book of 15,000 houses, so all the best to you. But my question is that what is the kind of, the government has been pushing that affordable housing is not the government's kind of baby. We need a private public participation model over here. And when that is the kind of the vision of the government, then what are your expectations as a power player from the government where if in order to make this PPP model successful? Over to you, Deep.
So interesting point you make there. Yes, I think we've worked very closely with the government. The numbers you mentioned, we have a lot of unexecuted houses to be built in the next 3 years, about 10,000 of them. But going forward, we just demerged our company and demerged the real estate company from it. We've closely worked with the government, and we know that government cannot get anywhere close to their dream of housing for all unless it's supported by the private developers. That's why time and again we've seen government in the span of last 2 years coming out and giving all the support that it can to the industry. First, giving infrastructure status to affordable housing in the 2 years ago, the year before in the union budget, and now of course the credit linked Pradhan Mantri Jan Awas Yojana subsidy to the home buyers, which is also extended to the private sector. So government does acknowledge that they need private sector, and I think private sector has also now realized that this is a segment which they need to really work very aggressively and closely with the government.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Deep. So what you're saying is that the affordable housing is the kind of the future of this country and for the developer as well. Thank you very much, Deep. Thanks a lot.
Good evening. I am Ramakrishnan. I am the regional manager for LIC Housing Finance in Western region, comprising of Maharashtra, Gujarat and Goa. I joined very recently, about a month or 2 months back, and I'm quite happy to be here at the Realty Plus Award show today. You see, in every field, there should be some kind of motivation which is required to recognize good performance and excellence in performance. I think this Realty Plus initiative is a very great initiative towards that end, to recognize excellent awards, and the very transparent system of selection of the jury and the award by the jury, the winners also. It will go a long way in instilling confidence in the real estate sector from the common people actually. So it's a very great step, I will say. It's a big motivation for the realty class. Thank you.
I'm Vatsal Patel, Technical Officer, Gujarat RERA. Next, yeah. As a RERA authority, I'm very much happy and very pleased and very much thankful to Realty Plus, because they provide us the platform for interacting with the stakeholders, the developers, and the other professionals. Thank you, Realty Plus. And the most important point, the panel discussion was very interesting, and this panel discussion is helping me for knowing what the people is expecting from RERA. Thank you.
Hi, I am Dhruv Patel, Managing Partner of Shriyami Infrastructure in Ahmedabad. I think this is a very good platform for everybody. Everybody, when I say, is the consumer, the investor, the developer and the authority. Everybody comes on the platform together, discuss and debate on what the industry is like and what is the potential of the future, what are the hindrances and what not. So I think it's a win-win situation for all stakeholders of the industry. I was in a panel discussion, so a lot of creative inputs I've got on the same subject that was being discussed in the panel, and maybe more expert views about the same subject, I would say. I think you guys are doing great. So as such, I won't comment that I want to see you guys way better than what you are, because you already are. So, but I think keep up the good work. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, I'm Ruchit Shah from Supam Developers. We are since 1991 in real estate sector, and we are completing more than 30 projects in last 3 years. And yeah, Reality Plus is one of the good marketing firm that give me opportunity to introduce myself in, and also is a good marketing company to give opportunity to more than our company in market too.
Hi, my name is Siddharth Singhi and I'm from Samsara Buildtech. Very professionally done and love the whole concept, and it's really a great initiative for getting all the builders and all the realtors on one platform to kind of felicitate them. Sorry? Keep it up.
Yeah, this is Prashant, and I represent Pramukh Group, Surat and Vapi. And it's a great honor to achieve these awards, and it's encourage us to deliver good products and within the time products. And ultimately, we need this kind of appreciation from this kind of organization, so it will be benefit for our consumer. No, Reality Plus is doing a good job. Every year we are waiting for this event, like different kind of categories and different kind of achievement and all that. See, now it's us. It's routine. Every year we won minimum 2 or 3 trophies for our different and various types of projects. But this time I am little disappointed because I won only 1 categories. Thank you.
Myself, I am Ayman Ansari. I am the director of DSP Design Associates. We are an architecture and interior design company based out of Mumbai. We are in the field since last 30 years. We have been doing work pan-India, and it gives us great pleasure to be receiving this award and getting appreciated by Reality Plus for our contribution towards Gujarat projects. And really thank you all. Thank you.
So what do you think about the Reality Plus event overall?
Overall, I think so the jury selection is excellent, and being recognized by such a great jury is like a real recognition, and we feel you're doing a really good job. Best of luck.
Thank you, sir.
आज रियलिटी प्लस अवार्ड कार्यक्रम जो थे वो बहुत अच्छा कार्यक्रम है, और रियलिटी प्लस ने जो रियल एस्टेट के अंदर जो लोग अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं उनको अवार्ड देने का जो कामगिरी कर रहा है और उनके लिए खूब अभिनंदन.
Hi, I'm Asha Desai. Yeah. Hi, I'm Asha Desai, Vice President of Coldwell Banker Gujarat. It's a fantastic feeling. From last 3 years, we are connected to Reality Plus, and they are doing amazing work for the interior designer, the realtors, and as well as the developer. So I'm feeling awesome right now. Today we have got the Realtors Year of the Award because I feel that it's because of dedications of whole my team, and they have done amazing work throughout the year. So it's a passion, and I love real estate. Thank you.
I'm Khushbu from Lead Magnets.
I'm Akash from Lead Magnets, and we work for real estate developers. We are a database management company. The event was very nice. We love to participate again and again in Reality Plus awards. The genuinity and the jury and the other things which makes the award ceremony, you love to participate again and again. So that's the most exciting part of the Reality Plus awards. So we have won this award second time. So it feels great when you win the award at the first time. So it feels great when you win it again. So it feels awesome. So that's the thing. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's a great pleasure to have this Reality Plus award for our project Banyan as an ultra luxury segment, and it is a great reward for our group, and we really appreciate the efforts. Thank you.
I am Sridharan, Director Sales from Greenrich Grow India Private Limited, a Chennai-based company. I am thankful to the Reality Initiative for inviting me for this function. I enjoyed this show. It's a unique kind, one of its kind in India in promoting the real estate market. Basically, we are also connected to real estate and building industry. We do wet waste management. We convert the organic waste, vegetable waste, food waste into organic manure. This is without any help of electricity or any mechanical energy. We supply one fungal inoculum. That fungal inoculum will create nitrogen inside the wet waste, and creating nitrogen, it converts everything as an organic manure, which will be used as a manure as well as the planting media. We supply to almost all the apartments, hotels and independent bungalows. We are the member of CREDAI also in India. We have started supplying to CREDAI run apartments and all. We are very happy to be a part of this reality show. Thank you so much.